Give him knuckles, Isaac. Oh, good job.
Wait, go take pictures of them.
I'm recording.
Say hi.
Hi. My phone.
Okay, here.
Where's your phone?
Press the button, Jacob. Which one? Jacob. Press button.
Oh.
Press it.
Press it.
Press it.
Push the button. There you go.
Hello.
Talk.
No.
Talk to the man.
Oh.
Okay. Maybe next time. Look at you, weigh all alone, like what, 20 pounds?
He's gonna. He's laughing.
Is your dad being silly?
Jacob, look. I put up this much at the gym this morning.
Oh gosh. Stop, he's scared. He's
I
scared.
curled 25 pounds this morning at the gym. Look at you.
He's
Oh,
scared.
This is one arm.
Anthony, Jacob's scared for you.
Anthony, please.
Insurance on that one.
That's not ours.
Do you come back with a money back guarantee in case I break you? Did mommy buy insurance on you?
Jacob, are you worried for him? Yeah.
So give me 5.
Two 2-year-olds trying to get each other 5. That's pretty funny.
I'm surprised they didn't hit each other in the face.
Oh, you're so nice, Jacob.
Whoa!
How's the weather up there?
Whoa, watch your head.
What's it?
Good job.
Wow.